Looking for the best knife sharpeners to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Chef's Choice 1520 AngleSelect Professional Electric Knife Sharpener. A single session with the Chef's Choice 1520 was all we needed to create the sharpest blade in all of our testing. After we sharpened the test knife, it sailed easily through paper, carrot, and tomato. We were particularly pleased with how it handled tomato skin, which requires the very sharpest edge to slice cleanly. During testing, the Chef's Choice 1520 was extremely efficient. There's a separate pair of grinding wheels in each of its 3 slots, 15 degrees and 20 degrees for different types of knives, plus a polishing slot to finalize the edge and make it last longer. It'll even work with serrated knives, a rarity in home sharpeners. Plus, a removable magnetic block on the bottom collects steel dust and shavings for easy cleanup. This machine does require some practice to use most effectively. It holds the angle steady for you, but you have to pull the knife through at just the right speed, around a second per inch, with just the right amount of pressure for optimal results. You can feel it when the grinding wheels contact the blade, which helps manage things correctly. Knife sharpening requires specialized technique no matter which method you use, so there will be a learning curve with any model. Type, electric, dimensions, 10 by 4.25 by 4.25 inches, abrasive material, diamond, options, 15 degrees, 20 degrees, polishing. Number 2. Tumbler, the original rolling knife sharpener. A rolling sharpener is an unusual new design, and the Tumbler stood out among the 3 rolling models we tested. As you roll it back and forth, its diamond abrasive slides against a stationary blade held at the perfect angle by a magnetic base, which has 15 and 20 degree options. This was one of the easiest sharpeners to use since we didn't have to worry about the knife orientation or applying the right amount of pressure. You roll the sharpener back and forth a few times against one side of the blade, then flip it around to get to the other side. The Tumbler set also includes nice post-sharpening accessories. The opposite side of the roller has a steel plate to remove the burr, and then you can run your knife across the leather strop to give the edge a final clean and polish. The included display stand is also practical, keeping the compact roller and base from getting separated in a random jumble of kitchen tools. We didn't get quite as sharp an edge with the Tumbler as with the best traditional models, but it was near the top of the overall list and well ahead of its fellow rolling models. It's almost entirely foolproof with medium-sized blades like an all-purpose chef's knife. However, it's a little harder to use with very small or very large blades. The magnetic base is taller than some paring knives, so the abrasive we'll touch can't reach the edge without some finagling. You also might need to elevate the rolling piece with a wooden cutting board so it'll be tall enough to reach the edge of a big cleaver blade. The Tumbler is pricey in terms of knife sharpeners in general, but it was the cheapest rolling model we tested. Type, rolling, dimensions, 3.5 by 2.25 by 2.25 inches, abrasive material, diamond, options, 15 degrees, 20 degrees, includes, dual-sided roller, dual-sided magnetic base, leather strop, display stand. Number 3. Zwilling 4-stage pull-through knife sharpener. This Zwilling earned great marks as our best manual model because it yielded an ultra-sharp blade with little effort. It was a top finisher in both sets of testing, and actually did the best job of all in the second round. The finished blades were sharp and smooth, and they sailed through all of our tests. After sharpening, they looked polished and showed no scratches or chips. The manual sharpener has 4 slots, fine and coarse at both 10 and 15 degrees, so it works with Japanese and German-style knives. Despite the Zwilling being completely manual, we felt like the slots held the knives securely and allowed us to get an even amount of sharpening across the entire blade. It's also quite a bit less expensive than an electric model. Our only complaint is with the grip. It wasn't the most comfortable to hold stable, and we feel like it could have a safer, more slip-resistant design. Type, manual, dimensions, 7.63 by 1.81 by 10.5 inches, abrasive material, ceramic, options, 15 degrees, coarse and fine, 10 degrees, coarse and fine. Number 4. Longzon 4-in-1 Knife Sharpener. Longzon's budget sharpener has a smart design, effective non-skid padding, and a handle that ensures your offhand stays clear of blades, at the lowest price in all our testing. It has 3 successively finer slots for regular knives, plus an extra wide opening for scissors and kitchen shears, an unusual option for manual sharpeners. The Longzon significantly improved the blade's sharpness in testing. Its abrasive may not have made them quite as razor-edged as the slightly more expensive Zwilling above, but it was nonetheless one of the best. We could slice tomatoes precisely with a knife that previously couldn't break the skin at all. You really can't go wrong with this Longzon. Its straightforward design makes it beginner-friendly, and the price means you don't have to feel bad about pushing the gadget to its limits, or stashing it in the closet after deciding you prefer somebody else sharpen your knives for you. If you're an advanced enough knife sharpener to care about the blade angle, however, you might want something that gives more than one choice. Type, manual. Dimensions, 9 by 1.75 by 3 inches, abrasive materials, tungsten steel, ceramic. Options, coarse, medium, fine, scissors. Number 5. Chef's Choice DCB 1520 Rechargeable AngleSelect Electric Sharpener. This sharpener is simply a cordless, battery-powered version of our top-rated Chef's Choice 1520 above. It has all the same features, with 15 and 20-degree options, a polishing slot, and a removable magnet that collects debris. A single charge is enough for up to 45 minutes of sharpening, perfect for bringing to your friends' and relatives' houses to freshen up their knives before, say, carving the Thanksgiving turkey. In testing, the rechargeable 1520 made our blades almost as sharp as the corded version and was one of the best overall. We loved the angles of the slots. It was easy to fit different types of blade. However, it didn't do as great a job at the very beginning of the blade. The heel of our test knife was duller than the rest and had an uneven bevel angle. It's also slightly more expensive than the standard Chef's Choice 1520, for cordless functionality that only adds a slight amount of value. Type, cordless electric. Dimensions, 7.6 by 4.2 by 2.9 inches, abrasive material, diamond. Options, 15 degrees, 20 degrees, polishing.